Hello everyone, welcome to a midweek update on gold. So I'll do gold and I might even do a US30 video today but that will be in the US30 channel because I haven't done one in a while. Links all in the video description. VIP service, free Telegram group, and my personal link if you want to message me. Also the US30 channel. So new all-time high on gold. Let's just go to the gold chart. Let's have a look. So this is what we've had so far this week. Clear continuation towards the upside. Most of the movements have been in the Asian session because of Trump and his talking. And that's what's moving the market at the moment. That's why you're getting this clear continuation up. So that would be my main advice, is just to keep an eye on what Trump is saying, because we are at new all-time high at the moment. So what you're going to be looking at is the smaller time frame structure and just focusing on these manipulation areas and using them as support and resistance. So got the clear movement to the upside. I won't really go over it. I'll just go over yesterday. So we've got this move up from here. This was the CPI release time, the blue line. You can see we've got exact reversal from that area. This was the breaker area where we was looking out for a reversal. We got the consolidation, then we got the impulse move up, but we didn't get the fake out, which was the start of the impulse move down to confirm a continuation. You just got a clear move up to the next area, which is the next grey area here. So all we was doing in this area is looking to see how price used that. And you can see how it broke through, came back down and retested it and used it as bullish support. And that's what you're seeing here at the moment. This impulse move up created a new manipulation area that runs along there. Then it comes down, retests that, and now you're getting that impulse move up once again. So at the moment, gold is looking bullish, but you have to remember it has cleared the all-time high. So there's no real liquidity, no real fuel above current price. There's no reason to continue up unless this is a big impulse move up. And what that means is, if it is an impulse move up, what you're likely to get is a bit of consolidation here and then a clear continuation up. And that is when you are likely to hit 3,000, $50 away roughly. And that's likely to be the next target if you get that continuation up. And if you go to the higher time frame, the reason for that is because this is simply a consolidation which is bigger than this move, and you're getting so this would be an even bigger impulse move up because of the size of the consolidation. I know a lot of people use the fib. I used to use this. So you just look at the size of the consolidation. Let's use that. And it normally goes to around a 1 to 2, a 1 to 3, depending on what kind of consolidation it is. So you can see this one here. If you use the bodies, I always use the bodies, because that gives you a better target area. So you can see this consolidation here, use the bodies, and that gives you a nice, it went up to a 1 to 2. Now if we do the same here, it would give you a much bigger distance towards the upside. So let's go and let's just place it there for safety. That's the main area of consolidation. This is kind of what I used to do back in when I first started. So I can't really get that like that because I can't see. So what we need to do is just get a rough measurement. So this is the bottom of the consolidation, around 2880. And then you see the top around, so that's around a 50, let's say $60 move towards the upside. So a $60 consolidation, and you're looking for the breakout now. So I would be looking for the top of the consolidation around here. You got let's say a $50 consolidation. You're looking for at least a $100 move towards the upside. So that would easily take you above 3,000, and you'd be looking around 3,050 mark, in my opinion. that is just basing it on the size of this consolidation here. Like I said, my main target would be, if we continue towards the upside, be targeting that nice round number of 3,000. But as always, listen to the smaller time frame, because that is all you've got at this kind of level, and focus on what price shows you at the New York session, because the New York session has the most volume. It has the strongest traders within it. So what they are doing within their session is showing you where all the volume is going. So if you're, let's have a look. This is how I look at the charts most of the time. So let's say here, New York session opened around here, and they continued to buy, clear buy all the way till close. So they're clearly in a buy, and their main target would be the all-time high. So if they was looking to continue the buys, they would make a new level like they have done here, and they would simply retest it and continue to buy with the New York session. So these buys would be in profit, and so would these buys be in profit, and they would just continue the upwards trend. Now, if they wanted to retrace price like they did over here, they would retrace it to a specific price that shows a clear area of manipulation, like they did here with the CPI Newsday. This is showing you clear manipulation on the higher time frame, and that is here. So you've got the consolidation, you've got the big fake out down, and it's at a high volume time, clearing the liquidity. So this is a big impulse move up. So this is why this is a key area with a lot of volume. Then so if they wanted to retrace price, they would use an area like that, and that would be done like it has been done here in the New York session. They aggressively sold off all the way to there, and once they hit that level, that's where all their buy orders are waiting. So then they can just continue to buy all the way through the next few days, just because they all knew that that key level was being used. If we zoom in, you can see here how this blue line is the CPI level, and it comes all the way down, takes liquidity, which is the orange line, and hits that CPI level, and then you get the reversal straight away. That's because there's nice buy orders waiting there, and it's being used as a way of communicating by looking at the charts. And the reason for that is because time on the chart is the same anywhere around the world. When you get a release time, say CPI News, it's going to be the same level no matter what chart you look on and which broker you used. Because some people do show you that if they're using a different broker, price action can look a lot different. But this is the way big players communicate on the chart, in my opinion. This is how I look at the chart. So, I am currently not in any business positions. I will be waiting for a better position to show. I don't know what that will be yet. At the moment, we are showing a clear buys, but that position has already passed. You can't enter that because it's already passed. There's no point entering late. And then I will update you on the free channel and the VIP service when I have a clearer outlook. But there's no point buying high if you have no targets and real structure to follow. Yep, take care. I'm just sitting here watching at the moment and waiting for something very good to show so I can get into a trade. Either if that's a buy or a sell, I don't know yet. If we do get a sell, then we have to look at the higher time frame. Just like this. And you just look at the manipulation area. So this one here would be a nice retracement. And you can see that that area there is the middle of the consolidation. So I've said many times in my videos that most of the time when you get a breakout, you're likely to get a retracement to the middle of the consolidation just before the breakout, and that is because that is where most of the power is. They have been accumulating positions within this consolidation, and the middle of that consolidation runs along there. And when you go to the smaller time frame, you can see there is normally manipulation areas within that area. So you got that nice breaker that was here, there. You're looking for that to be used as resistance the other day to go down from here, but we got to push through, and now we might even get a retest. And if it does that, I will be looking for a buy from here towards the upside to target 3,000. Oh, there's the video done. I've done all my talking. Feel free to message me, links are below. Hopefully that helps. Take care and goodbye.